Welcome back to another install video. Today we're going to be doing a Spoon Sports side view mirrors on my Honda S2000. Before we jump into that, I just want to remind the people watching that I am going to be giving away this Spoon Sports rear view mirror to one lucky subscriber. I was originally going to install it on my car. I decided to go in a different direction, and instead of trying to sell it and make my money back, I figured why not just give it away to a subscriber who showed love early on. I'm going to be giving it away in the next video, so good luck to everyone. Okay, let's get back to the install. So we're going to do the Spoon Sports mirrors. Super easy. One thing that I did different that I didn't see other people do is I actually purchased a replacement mirror and housing from Honda, and I'm going to replace this mirror with the Spoon Sports one, and that way I can just pop off my original ones and swap them out. So in case I decide to sell the car in the future, or maybe I just want to sell the mirrors, I could just pop them out and sell them instead of going through the process that we're going to do right now. So it's going to be really easy, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now.
Okay, if you're like me, you're going to need to bother your wife or girlfriend to ask her to use her hair dryer. You're going to use the heat from the hair dryer, and you're going to focus it on the center of the housing, because that's where a majority of the adhesive is located. Just about a minute or two on each side should be plenty, and it'll start to soften the adhesive up. Once the existing adhesive heats up, it should be pretty simple to start pulling apart the mirror from the housing. You're just going to want to be careful here, because no one wants to end up with 7 years of bad luck for a side view mirror install. Do your best to remove all of the original adhesive. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to make sure that you leave a good amount of surface area for the new adhesive to bond to the housing and the new mirror. I used Permatex black adhesive sealant, and I placed it in the spots that the original adhesive was in. Once you lay down the spoon mirror, give it about an hour to set. I think it definitely helps to maybe weight it down with something. Not too heavy obviously, but you want to make sure it stays in place.
Let's see how many tries this is going to take. Okay, okay, we're back. It's the next day. It's bright and early in the morning. I have Mark over here. He's the muscle for this very difficult install. No, I'm just kidding. This should take like just a couple minutes. So we're gonna pop off the OEM one now, pop the new one in. It's really not that hard. So I guess, yeah, let's see how this goes. Dude, really hope I don't break this shit. This is mine, dude. That's it. Okay, so after pulling off the first one, I realized why people heat it up is because there is more of that adhesive. It came off pretty easily, so I'm not too worried about it on this next one, but you might want to use like a hair dryer or a heat gun to just heat it up a little bit to loosen up the adhesive. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one anyways. Weird. This one doesn't have an adhesive. That is kind of weird, right? Ooh, baby. Dude. Okay. Looks hella good. Okay, so that's a little before and after, I guess. I really like the spoon mirrors. Is it worth it? Yeah, I think so. It spruces up the look of your car. You get some style points. It adds that blue tint, and obviously the real money right here, a little spoon logo. I don't think it's gonna make any difference in my real world driving test, but I think it looks great, and I recommend it. Super easy install. Yeah.